2 hours later.
Welcome to Cadence Clubhouse. We're really excited about kind of building community in the space. So this is going to be farmers market here, supporting all local farmers. Everything's about supporting local. We have amazing team partnerships, that type of thing. This is going to be Mechanics Coffee, the local coffee roaster. We do a juice bar here. We have 40 taps back there. This is a space. I mean, we have amazing partnerships lined up. I mean, Premier Cycling Club, there's 350 plus members. There's North Park Trail Runners, similar size. They're all just making this our clubhouse. It's kind of like a Spanky and Alfalfa and Darlick kind of thing, where it's have a plan to come here, meet, plan a great adventure, go have it, come back, hang out kind of place. So it's our clubhouse. It's everybody's clubhouse, so it's a lot of fun. Really super excited about the Thunderbirds partnership. That's going to be amazing. So all the games are being played right over here at JC Stone Field, all the home games. And we're going to have big tailgate parties. The players will be hanging out with the fans. And just kind of create an awesome environment. We'll have some bands for a lot of those events. They will ride and run over to the game, and and then come back and tailgate. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, Steven, it's been a great day.
It's been a great day. We stopped over the pro bike and run. We made some shots. We missed a lot.
We missed a lot of shots.
You know what? Early spring Pittsburgh weather's going to give you some wind. So those people coming up south, you got to get ready. It's going to be swirling over here at JC Stone. But as you can tell, we got some in the can as well. So it was a good day.
Excellent day. We'll see you soon.